Welcome to the world of creepy crawlies. Turtles are reptiles with hard shells that protect them from predators. A turtle's shell is not an exoskeleton, it's actually a modified ribcage that's part of the vertebral column. They are among the oldest and most primitive groups of reptiles, having evolved millions of years ago. Turtles live all over the world in almost every type of climate, whether in the Philippines or abroad, you can find them. The largest turtles weigh more than 1,000 pounds. Also, turtles lose their first baby tooth within an hour. Snakes. These legless, scaly vertebrates found in almost every biome can slither, swim, and even fly. Some snakes are born with two heads, while others can reproduce without males. It means not all snakes lay eggs. Their unique qualities make them some of the weirdest animals to be found anywhere in the world. Snakes don't have eyelids too, and they smell with their tongues. They are solar powered and rely fully on external heat or light sources. Reptiles sometimes get labeled cold-blooded, but this is incorrect as their blood isn't actually cold. The accurate term is ectothermic, meaning their body temperature is variable and regulated by external sources. Unlike mammals and birds that are able to internally regulate their body temperature, reptiles need to use sources of heat, like the sun, to warm up. They also have a very big family. According to the latest count, there are 3,789 snake species, making them the second largest group of reptiles after lizards. They are divided into 30 different families and numerous subfamilies. Is snake deaf or blind? Snakes are deaf. Although they lack eardrums, snakes possesses inner ear which are able to pick up not only ground-borne vibrations but low-frequency airborne sounds. They do have difficulty with sounds at a higher pitch. Do snakes have a heart? Snakes have a three-chambered heart, meaning it has two smaller chambers, atria, and one large chamber, ventricle, but only one set of blood vessels that pump blood through the body. Spiders. Here are some fascinating facts about spiders. While commonly lumped together with insects, spiders are arachnids, not insects. Spiders can be one of the 38,000 species and are found on every continent except Antarctica. All types of spiders have 8 legs and spin silk. A cobweb is an abandoned spider web. Spider silk comes out as a liquid but hardens when it comes into contact with the air. Some spiders can make up to 7 types of silk, such as smooth, sticky, stretchy, and many more. When adjusted for weight, spiderweb silk is stronger than steel. If a strand of spider silk was as thick as a pencil, it could stop a Boeing 747 jet in flight. Tarantulas have a dangerous reputation due to their venom. Spiders are nearsighted. Spiders have pale blue blood because oxygen is carried by hemocyanin in their blood, which contains copper. Lizard or gecko. Some lizards can detach their tails if they are caught by a predator. This helps them to get away quickly. Some lizards, such as chameleons, change color. Have you ever wondered how a lizard walked across the ceiling or up walls? Geckos have microscopic hairs on the bottom of their feet. They help them stick to things, which make them great climbers. Most lizards have the ability to swim. They can run on water too. The smallest lizard is the jaguar lizard, They grow up to 1.6 centimeters. Lizards come in all different sizes. The largest of them all is the Komodo dragon. They can grow up to 2.6 meters long. A lizard's favorite food is insects. They love crickets, mealworms, and flies. A lizard can also be found eating plants and fruits too. Different species of lizards have different lifespans. However, some have lived for 50 years. Frogs have excellent night vision and are very sensitive to movement. The bulging eyes of most frogs allow them to see in front, to the sides, and partially behind them. Frogs were the first land animals with vocal cords. They are amphibians. Like all amphibians, frogs are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperatures change with the temperature of their surroundings. When temperatures drop, some frogs dig burrows underground or in the mud at the bottom of ponds. Launched by their long legs, many frogs can leap more than 20 times their body length. I'm sorry, the last one, I don't want to say something about them. I don't like the worms and the cockroaches.